Hi everyone. Last week, not so much now, I've sort of settled down about it, but I was feeling really frustrated and angry about the energy going on in the world at the moment. It was feeling like everything that I love and believe in, freedom of choice and that sort of thing, it was just getting on top of me, and I was getting way too much into the conspiracy theories, regardless if they're true or not. I was reading way too much, listening to way too much, and it was making me quite crazy. And it was chatting to a friend of mine in New Zealand who's been quite separated from it all, and she was sort of saying how, and I've heard this from a lot of natural therapists, people are sort of saying what an amazing time it is on the planet. And every time someone says that to me, I'm like, yeah, but what about forced vaccines? What about these chips? What about, is the government messing with our numbers? What's going on? And anyway, I have no control over any of that. But one of the things when I started muscle testing up, I'm dying to have another treatment with someone, so I'll get my kinesiologist around soon. But nonetheless, I thought my base chakra, so I know that I feel better when I'm out walking. I know that I feel better when I'm eating well, I know. So I thought I would do a base chakra balance and then see what other triggers. And I've only got a few minutes, so let's sort of see how we go. So the base chakra is in the lower part of your body, and it's about feeling safe. It's about feeling grounded. It's about feeling like, we're standing in our place on the earth and we're doing okay. So when threats come to us from all sorts of areas, all sorts of places, sometimes we don't feel safe. We feel threatened. That's the sort of thing that allows our base chakra to go. So for a start, I've got some anger because I was feeling angry. I want to muscle test through and see what anger affirmations test up for me. So I'm just going to, okay. So I need to do, I feel calm. I no longer take on the anger of others. I replace all anger with love. Oh, hello. I release all karmic ties stopping me from releasing my anger. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to have one hand over my base chakra, and I'm going to be running my central meridian, and just because there's quite a few there, that was, quite a few in a short space of time, and so I'll just sort of get a few of these. Okay. Okay. It is safe for me to feel peace and love. I am at peace. I release all anger caused by my life lessons. I feel calm. I replace all anger with love. I release all karmic ties, stopping me from releasing my anger. I no longer need to feel angry. I now no longer feel angry about things I should have done. I safely release all past life anger. I raise my energies above the energy of anger. I release all resentment that makes me feel angry. I am able to express myself without getting angry. I am free from anger, and I replace these emotions with love, light, and peace. Okay. Thank you for letting me share. I think I've needed that. Hope you're all healthy, happy, and well. Take care. Talk soon.